In the last episode of my Ladakh expedition that you saw ages ago, I was at Tanglangla where I dropped my bike and it took a total of 3 grown men to pick it up. Little did I know that this was not the only time I'll have to pick my bike up again.
Seriously, man.
With my group of 3 grown men. And this time, it wasn't my fault.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm really sorry. No time to slow down. Whoa. Yeah, that's how you steal footage. Okay, after that, another ruckus. We are recommended to not stay for longer durations of time. Oh man, poor bike. I've broken these. Oi.
टूट गया मैं तो अब.
Okay, maybe this is not gonna stay. I'll have to get it fixed at the next station. My bro, the 3 of us tried to fucking give everything to fucking pick that bike up because it was almost ulta lying on the ground. We had to flip it all the way. Good cardio for the day. And I shouldn't be doing that. This is really not recommended to do such heavy work on such higher altitudes. Although the snow-capped mountains are making up for it. I'm sorry, Himalayan. I'm really, really sorry. That was Tanglangla for you guys. I'm going to be going very easy now. Okay, that's really terrible road, but it's part of the adventure, guys. Part of the adventure.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा adventure. मज़े आ गया adventure. Very much adventure.
Okay, more to come. I'm gonna go very, very easy. I better stay on this side of the road. It's not like I'm scared of falling that way, but it's just that I like being on the right side, right? Because you always are right.
अच्छा.
But now I feel like I should stay on the left side of the road because see, we should be following rules, correct?
अच्छा बहन.
Okay, it's very cold. Sorry, ठंडी चली गई bike उठाते and now I'm again cold with a headache. By the end of this ride, I'll be completing 1,000 kilometers. Isn't that insane? I started off. What's the date today? Okay, never mind. What's the date today? Never mind. See, the first day we did Delhi to Chandigarh, which was on 2nd of July. That was my birthday. It started raining.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है.
It has started to rain. It has started to rain. I haven't prepared myself for the rain because I don't have my liner on. Now I'll have to stop on the side of the road and put my liner on. And meanwhile, if I get drenched, then I'm screwed as I always am.
Stop it. Get some help.
There's cold, there's sun, there's rain, there's everything happening at the same time. This is, I just don't understand this place. But in its own way, it's just beautiful. I want it to be like this. Weird to, what is the term for it? It's just weird. So as I was saying, I'll be completing 1,000 kilometers today by the end of this ride.
Congratulations.
And 1,000 kilometers, mind you, is 2nd of July, Delhi to Chandigarh, 3rd of July, Chandigarh to Manali, then the next day, Manali to Jispa to Sarchu, and now Sarchu to Leh. In 5 days, I've completed 1,000 kilometers. Just in 5 days. Wow. Oh wow, look at these rocks. Beautiful, man. Looks like a properly curated garden or something, right? Suddenly, why is it so green? I mean, not why, how? The Red Bull that I had 2 hours ago has now kicked in. I've got good energy right now. I don't know if that is because of the Red Bull or the chicken soup that I had. How is it so pink? Trust me guys, I'm not color grading this or anything. It is actually pink.
जो है वो है.
Welcome to Leh. Let's click a photo over here. Full explorer vibes. The amount of GPU that is required to load such a huge environment. So many mountains, roads, props, stones, rocks, plants. The rendering that is required to load all of this in real time. Only gamers will understand. I'm at 977 kilometers. Yeah, about 40 kilometers more to go for Leh. Oh man, look at that. Yay, I finally completed 1,000 kilometers on my bike. I mean, not my bike.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है.
But what, 1,000 kilometers in 4 days? Crazy. 5 days. I'd gotten this bike at 3 kilometers of running on the auto. Wow, what monastery is that? Beautiful. अपना ये विष्णुराज 301. थैंक यू जी. ओके, आ जाओ. तो बिगिनिंग होंगी. सही है यार, स्टार्टिंग में यार. अभी इधर ही ऑर्डर कर लेते हैं कुछ. सुपर टायर्ड ऑलरेडी एंड वी आर ऑल सेट टू गो फ्रॉम Leh city. Beautiful place called the Kal. And this is our photographer team. And this is Mr. Manav Sinha joining us. Man, I'm already tired.
खत्म.
Alright. It's super hot over here and I've made a mistake of wearing the winter liner. Of course, I'll be needing it later down the line, but right now everything is boiling inside.
एकदम hot.
Weather is pretty pleasant. I was actually doubting if it's going to be warm looking at the conditions at the hotel, but it is pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm not regretting wearing the winter liner underneath.
I can drive.
Look at that road. Lovely. Oh man, I shouldn't have worn the winter liner underneath. It is getting quite uncomfortable. I'm kinda like, this is about what, 6th or 7th day of the ride, and I'm kinda already missing it in advance. Like, I can see the end of the ride coming closer and it feels a little weird. Now with all of this is gonna get done. Like the last few days we've been like nomads literally, and we were living off of luggage day in day out. Just pack, move, check in, unpack, again pack, check out, move, check in. This is all that's been happening since the last 1 week, and I've kind of gotten used to it. And now going back to, I mean, there are a few more days remaining. I don't know. Yeah, in a few days all of this will be done and I'll go back to my stagnant life.
अरे मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
Although yeah, there's quite a lot of exciting stuff back home, but still this was something really special, and I don't know why this is turning into a farewell speech, but there's a long way to go yet, but such scenic location. Looks like some fantasy land, dude, seriously. See, we are now on our way to Loma. Loma is about 137 kilometers from here. Ooh, lovely. Oh no, has it started to rain? Look at these. How is this pink? It must be some mineral that is more in this land. A wild guess must be magnesium or something that is more in content. Arey yaar, it started raining heavily. What do we do? Do we wear? We'll have to wear, right?
Let's wear it. Because ये गीला हो जाएगा ना, फिर you'll be cold.
Yeah. There's absolutely no ventilation, man. Earlier my upper body had better ventilation, man, than my lower body. And now my lower body has better ventilation than my upper body. ये 19-20 ही चलता रहेगा शायद मेरा आज.
A few inches later.
After some good tarmac, we've got some ancestors of Ramesh Paka and Charan. These are not going anywhere. Oh man, I'm tired. It was a good 2-kilometer patch of these off-roads, and it's gonna go on for a while. Himalayan has been behaving how a Himalayan should. It's gliding over anything and everything. I shouldn't be going slow on this one. Oh. Okay, I better go fast. Just literally throwing everyone around in that car. We are gonna be slowed down terribly here. This must have been tiring for all of these guys as well. Well, here we go again. And I don't have the energy to saddle anymore. It's a lot more energy consuming than it looks. And in a normal scenario, I won't be this tired or exerted. My air intake has been compromised because of the lack of oxygen, so that's affecting my breathing and everything. There's some landslide over here. This is going to take some time, so I'll see you later.
A few moments later.
It's been literally 10 kilometers, more than 10 kilometers of serious off-road, like no road at all. Hey, the enthusiasm of these guys means probably that the off-roads are going to end. Oh man, this is tiring. Okay, it seems like, yep, I was right.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
That guy, oh no, I thought that's the road. Anyway, no mind. Yeah, I'm just gonna go guns blazing now. Seriously, I'm done with this. No time to slow down. Whoa. No time to slow down. Right when I sit, I realize I'm tired. Okay, that's a lot. There's a load of off-road today. Okay, just gonna glide through it literally. This is what good with the Himalayan, that you can literally not think of anything and just glide through it. Oh yeah. There you go. Whoa, that's some serious off-road. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Am I going in the correct road? I don't think so. Maybe. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Alright. Oh man. Okay, that was quite a roller coaster. But yeah, this is a tribute to Ramesh Vakancharan. This is for you guys. To give you justice. Oh man. There's a lot of sand. Oh shit. Dude, this is just not ending, man. I mean, इतना tribute नहीं देना था. पैसा कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? But I don't at all blame anyone for this, because look at how look at how remote these places are. How do you expect to have roads over here? There's one very little patch compared to good roads throughout. I can only imagine what all of those riders that have pillions on them are going to do on such roads. Oh my god, this is going to take a while to cross. Like, we can just glide through saddling over the bike, but the pillion can't. Okay, this can be quite sketchy. It was quite slippery as well. Okay, I've drained out all my energy.
One eternity later.
Is that the V-Strom? Yeah. Okay, I'm assuming that off-roads are done. Alright. Woohoo! Made it. Look at that. I mean, what? Oh, let me get it. Oh, the ventilation. Oh my god. Oh, the ventilation is insane. Loma is 37 kilometers. That's free. Like, we've come pretty far, huh? Look at that. Blue mountains. Different shades of blue. How? Why, Tata? Why? Got some good energy right now. It was completely drained out doing all of that off-roading. Wow, dude. Vast grasslands. I can't understand.
I don't know what he's saying.
What are you saying?
I'm going ahead. You guys come.
No, it will go now. Chal. What? Acha, you want to shoot us?
All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always negative.
He wanted to shoot us. Oh man. Food is making us not think clearly. Huh?
Maybe he's not given up, right?
I don't know. Yeah, man.
How is it blue?
There's just pink under shadow. Oh. Dude, that guy left. We'll join these guys. We'll photobomb these guys.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, that's how you steal footage.
अब थोड़ा सा औकात में
There's our poor photographer. Oh man, I feel so sorry for you, buddy. I'm so sorry. Oh man. Oh dude. That poor guy, Kochi Machan, he stayed back for a photo. God damn it.
यही तो जुर्म है ना मेरा.
I'm so sorry, buddy. I'll let you down. Where's my bro? Where's Mr. Kochi Machan? I don't know, he's way back. He stayed for a photo, right? Yeah. Poor guy.
Yeah, man. How is it blue? Yeah, we are so close.
Yeah. Maybe it's just because they are under shadow, that's why. Shadow and atmosphere.
Refraction happening. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, science.
We nicely photobombed them and stole the footage. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, it's very soft, no?
I don't want to drop this for the third time, huh?
You want to take a photo of me?
Yeah. Wait 1 second. How do you want me to take?
Just side sake. Flat side.
Yeah. It's very basic, huh?
Yeah, works also.
Sorry, man.
Sorry, dude.
You stopped for us and... God! Hey, yaar.
Oh, the road caved in, man.
What the f***, man?
Dude, click a picture. Click a picture.
What is this, dude? For a third f***ing time.
Why the road caved in, man? Like, what can you do?
Dude.
Don't keep it on the edge.
Arey, dude, I kept it on the road. It's not on the sand.
The other side of the white line.
The f***?
Bro, how does that happen?
Seriously, man.
Oh my god. You got this.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
Come on, go for it.
Now everyone will stop medical support. No medical support.
1 second. Oh, god damn it. Am I rolling though? Okay, chalo, I'll at least make content out of it.
I have already got my thumbnail. At this point, you can make a montage out of your bike.
Yeah, man, seriously. Chalo.
Okay, go.
3.
Go.
No.
ये मैनली नहीं है यार.
The f, dude, seriously. I'm
Push
just.
it back.
Gear, neutral. Okay. So this was second time I've broken this.
My head. Fuck, I can't breathe. Now who will tar here? Bro will hold you now.
Who?
Bro.
Who, bro?
Border road organization.
What luck.
This dust is so fine. It's finer than a beach.
Yeah.
And imagine that mountain is fucking made up of this.
Maybe underneath this same mud is underneath this road. That's why it got like that.
Yes, science.
Chalo. I mean, what is this Panauti, dude? Seriously. Like, I made sure it's on the road so that it doesn't fall, doesn't sink in. It's sunk in through the road, dude. What the heck? Like, the universe just doesn't want me to not break this bike. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm really sorry. I mean, I'm sorry for. I'm not apologizing. I'm just sorry for you. Sorry, it's not my fault.
Bonus.
Arey, yaar, it started raining heavily. What do we do? We'll have to wear, right?
हाँ, let's wear it.
अरे यार, अब साला इतना नाटक होगा ना इसको पहनने में. Is it gonna last though? It's just this cloud. Yeah, it's just this cloud. See?
Okay, then let me just keep my phone in the.
Yeah, you've got an iPhone, man. You can swim with it.
Since I have an iPhone, I'm putting it in a. If I had a Redmi, I would have been like fucking Redmi.
Emotional, damn it!
If once we get past it ना, we'll see 2-3 kilometers. नहीं रुका तो ये पहन लेंगे.
फिर तो गीले ही हो जाएंगे ना, गीले होके पहनने.
Should I wear it over the hydro pack?
हाँ, wear it. What?
This is the first time I'm opening this.
हाँ, फिर गीले.
It's stuck. Thanks. This is completely stuck from inside. I've never used it. Put it over my shoulder. You want to wear it over the backpack? Why is it too tight? What? You want to remove it? Good idea.
वाह क्या लड़का है.
Yeah. All right, ready.
इसको पहनते पहनते बारिश बंद होने वाली है.
वैसा ही है भाई बारिश का लॉजिक, इसलिए मेरे को पसंद नहीं है बारिश. Hate rain. See it stop.
आगे स्वाद.
This cloud blast.
There are more clouds.
Oh man. Dude. You look like you're at a Oh man. God. He looks like he's at a barber shop, dude. Ah. Oh man, that hurt, dude. I laughed so hard. Oh man, my head started aching. Phew. Ah. I can't breathe properly. That was tiring, dude. Even laughing is an exercise now. Oh, it feels hot. There's no ventilation at all. See, it did not rain even a drop over here. See, this is what I've been telling these guys. It's just that one cloud, dude. One row cloud. Well, here we are. Now we are fully ready to. We are nicely marinated with a little bit of rain. And now we are ready to be cooked. Like perfectly, एकदम full boiled, मस्त एकदम half fry. मजा ही आ जाएगा मतलब.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.